Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your American Airlines flight credit. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So before we go to the steps on how you can use your American Airlines flight credit, let us know first the details before you use the flight credits. So first, you can use these credits for flights only, and flight credits can be redeemed for extras like seats or bags. And flight credit is valid for one year only from the issue date unless otherwise noted. And you can use one flight credit per person only when booking at AmericanAirlines.com. So just contact American Airlines to book with more than one flight, and only the same passenger named on the flight credit can book and travel. Then now let's see the steps that you need to do if you want to use your American or flight credit in American Airlines. So first, what you need to do is to have your flight credentials or flight credit details ready. So you can find your flight credit ticket number in the email from the American Airlines or by logging in into the A Advantage account and going into your wallet. So after you've done that, just browse and select flights. So just search for and find your desired flights and simply click the plus flight credit button to apply your flight credit before checking out. So after confirming your flight details, passenger details, and selecting your seats, you'll see an option to add a flight credit before finalizing the payment and check out. So just finish the booking and checkout process. So once you apply your flight credit, you can complete the checkout process. And if you don't have enough credit to cover the cost of your flight, you'll choose a payment method to pay the difference. So if the ticket price is less than the value of your flight credit, you will receive the remaining credit balance issued as a credit to use for future travel. So that's it for this video. That's how you can use your American Airlines flight credit. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.